Hi, my name's Andrew Spainhower, and I'm an attorney at McMullin Legal Group. I often get asked questions about what do I do if I get hurt on the job, at work? Well, the first thing you do is you report your injury to your employer immediately, and you have them send you to a doctor to get checked out. From there, if your doctor advises you to take time off work to rest and heal your injury, you should do that. You should follow the advice of your doctor and go through the proper channels. It's not going to help you to just sweep it under the rug and ignore it. Work comp in Utah is what's called an exclusive remedy, meaning you don't have a typical lawsuit against your employer when you're hurt on the job. Now, that can be bad for workers in the sense that a normal third-party lawsuit is typically worth more as far as the compensation that you might get than work comp is. However, it can be good for workers in some ways too, because in order to be compensated, you don't have to prove any negligence or fault on the part of your employer. The next question that comes up is, well, if I do get hurt at work, how do I get compensated? And the answer to that is really there's 5 separate types of damages that you may be entitled to depending on your specific injury and your situation. The first is your medical bills. If you're hurt on the job and you have a legally compensable injury, which can be a little bit more involved question that you may need further insight from an attorney on. If it is a compensable injury, your employer or their insurance company would pay for all medical bills related to that accident. From there, the other 4 types of damages typically relate to time off work. We figure out what's 2/3 of your normal average weekly wage at the time of the injury, and for all the time that you're out of work, you're entitled to be paid that, 2/3 of your normal wage. If you get to the point where you're healed up and you're able to return to work, but you have some type of permanent lingering problem, there's another calculation that goes into play using that same number to come out with another sum of money that you may be entitled to. If you have additional questions about Utah work comp, you definitely want to consult with an experienced work comp attorney in Utah.